Hey fam, Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick, easy, delicious baked beans. Come on in the kitchen, let's cook. So fam, you know how it goes, right? You're having a cookout or you're just making some ribs and you say, oh, I want some baked beans, but you don't feel like buying beans and soaking them and stuff and you're like, oh, what am I gonna do? And then you see that pork and beans can and you're like, I don't know if I want to do that. I got you. What you do is get you two cans of beans, okay? Now, what I like to do is mix the flavors. So I'm using Bush's, and please sponsor me, Bush's. I'm open. I'm using the steakhouse recipe, okay? Gonna get that in there. I'm telling you, this works, y'all. This works, okay? And then I like to also use, for my second flavor, I just get the Southern Pit Barbecue. Or honestly, it doesn't even have to be these two. Anything you find in any two flavors you like. I actually like that steakhouse one though. It kind of has a rich boldness to it. Okay, you pour them in, put them into your little container, okay? Stir them together because you're mixing two different flavors, right? Okay, now here's what you're gonna do to make it your own, okay? Get you some barbecue sauce, whatever sauce you're using on your ribs, and add some of that in there. Not a ton, okay, because they already have juice in them, but just add a little bit there. That's gonna give it the flavor of your barbecue, if you're having a barbecue, okay? Then, because I am Calibama cooking, we're gonna add a little brown sugar. How much brown sugar? How much you want, baby? You understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons in there because I like my baked beans to have a little sweet to them. Yeah, I like them to be like me, sweet. Then we're gonna stir that in. Stir gently. I probably should have got a bigger tray, but it'd be all right. Now what I'm gonna do before I do my final stir, I chopped up some bacon, okay? And we're just gonna put this bacon in here. This is actually, bacon is already cooked, okay? So I'm using pre-cooked bacon, cut it up into pieces, and I'm gonna mix it in there as well like this. You can put as much or as little as you want. I think I had about 3 slices of the stuff left, so that's what I put in there. I cut it up small. And then give it a little kiss of heat. Now don't go crazy unless you want to make hot baked beans. If you want hot baked beans, maybe make hot baked beans. But I'm just gonna give it a little, I'm not even gonna give it a kiss of heat. You know what I'm gonna give it? Peck. Got a little peck, little heat peck. Stir that in there, just like so. Ooh. All right, and then to top this bad boy off, before we put her in the oven, I have some butter, and just put you 3 little pads of butter, just like that. We're gonna put this in the oven. This is important now, okay? I know they tell you on the can to put it on the stove and heat it up. Now, put this in the oven on about 400 degrees for 25-30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Then you'll be ready. Quick baked beans, I told you. Let's get her in the oven. Well, family, I just took these beans out of the oven. You see how that butter melted on the top? Look, I'm just gonna stir it in there a little bit. Oh, that looks good, don't it? All them flavors mixed up. Quick baked beans, I'm telling you. You do this, and all of a sudden your barbecue just got stepped up. Look, oh, piece of bacon came up. I'm just gonna taste a little bit. And if you don't like this much juice in your baked beans, use a slotted spoon when you serve it, and then you'll still be fine. I'm telling you, this is how you do it. 30 minutes, they're done. Oh, and they taste way better than they did in the can before you doctored them up. You see, hot, hot, hot. Boom. Oh wait, that's a piece of bacon. I just need to get me some barbecue chicken or a rib or something. Hot. See, everything I make doesn't have to take hours. Sometimes we cook from scratch, sometimes baby, we get a can. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time right back here on Calibama Cooking for more of this good stuff that we do here as a family. Ain't that what we do, y'all? I love you. Happy cooking.